Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. We are going to pour some paint. Woo! We are dipping back into my Arteza 32 pouring acrylic colors box. I have a little bit left over from the last pour. I just covered it up and it stayed liquidy. So we're going to add to this. This is an 8x10 canvas, so we only need 5 ounces of paint. That's the area divided by 16 gives you the number of ounces. Let me specify. The area in inches, so 8x10 divided by 16 gives you 5. So we're going to be adding 5 ounces into my cup. This is a 10-ounce bowl, so about halfway. And I'm just going to kind of randomly pick some colors. This is going back to my whole pick a paint pour theory or methodology. And I haven't done that one in a while. I am not looking at the box. I'm just pulling out colors. We may be really sorry with what I pull out. Okay, I don't want to, okay. All right, that looks good. Let's see what we came up with. We have the need to put my glasses on. We have pastel yellow and Mars black. Okay. We have bronze metallic, titanium white. Okay. Rose pink, phthalo blue, my fave, and neon blue. All right. Well, that's an interesting collection of colors. And whatever's in there that I don't remember. Okay, so I'm going to layer paints into my cup, and then I'll show you what we're going to paint over, or pour over. Okay, finally we're ready. Let's layer some paint. So, neon blue, pastel yellow, bronze, phthalo blue, rose pink, titanium white, Mars black, rinse and repeat, and here is what we will be pouring over. Fresh from the dollar store. Woo! We have the rubber ducky, little frog. They don't make too much noise, so we won't hear them scream when we pour paint over them. And I think this is supposed to be a puffer fish, maybe. That one doesn't squeak at all. Yeah. All right, here we go. Quite big enough to do that with. Now, we're losing a little over there, so I'm just going to move this along. Get our rubber ducky out of the way. Get our little puffer fish out of the way. Get our little froggy out of the way. And no, we don't. I like this one. That's a pretty design. try not to lose too much of my designs this time. Just see if we can keep things. They're rolling over. I don't lose all the pink either. There we go. Oh yeah, loving that. Loving that. Whoops, sorry, it's probably my head in the way. I do love this paint. I admit it, it's beautiful. All right, let me get cleaned up. We will go in for our close-up. All right, let's start with our three little critters. Here is the froggy, the ducky, and the fishy, and the fishy, such as they are. I think it actually improved them, although they were kind of cute to begin with. I like the pink frog. All right, let's take a look at the painting. Here is the lower left, up the left-hand side. I'm glad I got to hang on to those patterns. Look at the beautiful, beautiful lines. And the bronze, upper left, across the top. Then we have the pretty pink corner. Upper right, down the right-hand side, and I got to hang on to those two. Oh, happy. Blue, wow. Lower right. And the entire painting. There you have it, folks. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I really appreciate it. Leave me some comments. I appreciate those too. Stay safe, everyone. I will see you in the next video.